Welcome to the Pilates Show, where we explore Pilates tips and techniques to help deepen the skill level of the movement educator while having fun.
Hi, Jen and Amy here, and we're looking at balancing our second heart, which is our lower leg. And we're going to look at the bookends of the lower leg, the ankle and the foot and the knee, which are really essential in balancing this area. So this protocol that we're going to go through is in my hip and knee workshop for your clients who are having hip replacement or knee replacements. So Amy's just going to start to flex her foot, inhale, push out through her heel, and then exhale and plantar flex through the foot and ankle. Good, and doing those a few more, inhale and reaching through the heel, exhale and pointing through the foot. So what I'm looking at when she's doing this is I'm really looking that the hip bone is in line with the middle of the knee and is in line with her second toe. And just a couple more. Reaching through the heel and then all the way down. So it's imperative to do these ankle pumps after surgery to help to get the blood to pump back up through the body. Good, to prevent any kind of blood clots that might happen in the lower leg. And last one. Her alignment looks good, and then gently point. And then what I like to do is add a little bit of resistance to this. You can also do this exercise with the heels hanging off the Cadillac, which is really nice because they have all that negative space that they can use to flex and point in circle, a little bit more limited when we're on the mat. So I'm going to give her some resistance with the TheraBand, and on the inhale, she's going to flex, push through the heel. And Amy is doing a really good job, but I want her to really think about pinky toe moving towards her outer heel without changing that position of her knee. And then go ahead and point. And then on the exhale, flexing the foot. And notice I put these towels under Amy's knees so to help to prevent any hyperextension that might go on. And then gently release down. And now as she's doing this, I want to bring her awareness to her quadriceps and her kneecap. So as she inhales and she flexes the foot, I want her to think about having a little rubber band at the top of the patella, and that patella is moving up towards her hip point. So I really want her to feel her quads drawing up her kneecap. And then when she points, can she still keep the kneecap drawing up towards her hip point? A little bit harder to do. And flex and pulling the kneecap up towards the hip point, like she's pulling up her stockings, and then try to keep that upward lift of the kneecap as she points her foot. And once more, vacuuming the kneecap all the way up towards the hip point, pushing out through the heel at the same time. That opposition really helps to create an awareness in the quadricep. But now we go into the point, and I want her to keep thinking about lifting up through the quadricep as she points the foot.
That's it for today. If you have a different take on today's subject, or if there's anything you'd like to see covered in an upcoming episode, we'd love to hear from you. Comment below on Facebook, Twitter, or in the forum at fusionpilatesedu.com. See you next time, and never stop learning.